Hola, estoy trabajando y mira, tuve que meterlo a la casa del cliente, al perro. Dios mío. Hi, this is Phillips from In-House Cleaning and we are so pet friendly. I'm cleaning a shower right now. In the meantime, the dog is in the other side playing with the toys. And using cleaning products that is safe for pets. So you don't have to worry about it. If you need our cleaning services, just call us at 407-572-4118. And this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com and we are pet friendly. As you see, we are cleaning the shower. In the meantime, the dog is outside playing with the toy and he's watching me working. All our cleaning supplies are pet friendly. And you can call us anytime for all your cleaning needs at 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage anyhousecleaning.com. We serve Champion Gate, Davenport, Florida. Also, all Central Florida, Orlando. Right now, we are in Dr. Phillips. So we have plenty of videos on YouTube on how to clean your shower glass. Check out our channel, Any House Cleaning, at Davenport, Champions Gate, Florida. 407-572-4118. Let me rinse. He's still watching. I'm rinsing right now on the surface and then dry. We love pets, especially dogs and cats. You don't have to worry for all our cleaning supplies. Thank you for watching. Let's see if I can. Anyhousecleaning.com, Fiorella, like Cinderella. Black. Black. Hi, I'm Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and the client asked me to wash a little bit the porch, the outside porch and the windows. We are pet friendly. Beautiful view in Dr. Phillips. If you need your house clean, your patio, your outside patio, furniture, windows, just call us at 407-572-4118. And we are pet friendly. You can call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you. Bye.